Now, before we start talking about specific things that you can do to relieve gout symptoms, let's talk about the general condition of gout, just so that if any of you don't understand what it is, you'll have a better understanding of the condition. When someone has gout, what happens is a specific joint becomes inflamed, and very intense pain is felt in that joint. As the swelling starts to occur, the area will turn red and it'll be very warm to the touch. And this swelling and pain comes from high levels of uric acid. The body's levels of uric acid overall are higher than normal, and so that uric acid begins to collect in the joints. And as that collects there, crystals are formed, and these crystals are hard, and pokey. So it is a very painful thing for someone to experience, especially if they're moving the joint that's being affected by that. Any type of motion will intensify that pain. Usually gout starts to form in the big toe, right where the big toe attaches to the foot, that big main joint there. But it can spread to other joints, and some people don't have it start in the big toe there, but that is the most common place for gout to start. So if you are experiencing any type of symptoms of gout, it's a good idea to take care of it right away so that it doesn't spread to other joints. Now, there are medical treatments that doctors may suggest. The first one is what's known as NSAID, which are non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Those drugs are things such as aspirin or ibuprofen or naproxen that help to reduce the swelling. So if your doctor suggests that, that might be an option for you. There are also other drugs out there that can reduce the uric acid from forming in your body, or sometimes doctors will use cortisone. They'll use like cortisone shots to inject directly into the joint, and that will help relieve some of the pain. Even though there are medical treatments out there, a lot of people prefer to focus more on the home remedies, and there have been some great successes that have been found by just adjusting habits and your diet. If you want to adjust your diet to help relieve the symptoms of gout, you want a diet that's high in complex carbohydrates, low in fat, and low in protein. Basically, any food that is low in purines is the type of food that you want to be eating. And just a couple notes to keep in mind: if you are experiencing gout symptoms, avoid seafood and proteins, and then also avoid alcohol, because those can trigger gout attacks. Some other suggestions for home remedies is to lose the excess weight. It's been shown that people who are obese or carrying extra weight around are more likely to have gout attacks. So if you're obese, start to lose that excess weight. Exercise, monitor your diet, just do those basic things that can help you lose that weight. Make sure that you're losing it gradually, though, because if you have a quick weight loss, that can trigger a gout attack. So make sure that it's just a few pounds here and there. Don't go on any type of crash diet. Also, drink plenty of fluids. Keeping yourself well hydrated will keep the percentage of uric acid in your body in check. So drink plenty of fluids and eliminate the alcohol out of your drinking. Don't drink that alcohol because it can bring on gout attacks. And another suggestion that some doctors have is to take vitamin A or I guess I should say niacin supplements. These both have been shown to help with gout. In some people, it's not guaranteed to help with everyone, though, so it might be an option that you may want to try. There are a lot of different things that you can do. Really, I think the biggest thing is adjusting your diet and getting those good habits formed. But that's just kind of a brief overview of things that you can do to find gout relief. If you are looking for more information about gout, about the symptoms or treatments or anything else, we've got tons of information on our website. Check that out.